Whew, Linda here. Hello, family and friends. I don't know why I say Linda here. Maybe in case you don't know who I am. Anyways, I'm here out in the forest. I got up before Scott. I'm trying to save him some work. Give him like a day off. So I'm out here by myself with, well, not alone, those clownsters. But they're no help. They don't even help me pull the sleigh. They're no help at all. Anyways, I'm going to try and take down some dead standing. We'll see how well that goes. But it's only going to be like 4-inch or smaller with a little sawzall. It's just to start our fires. And that's what we're finding. We need more stuff for fire starting. Wish me luck, guys. Oh, whoo. There's the load. Pretty primitive, eh? Like 1800s way of hauling wood out. Minus the dog food bag. You guys ready to go back, eh? Luna, your eyebrows are frozen. I'm cold, they're cold. We're going back in. See you soon. We had to get a videotape of this crazy pine. It's grown like something out of a Dr. Seuss novel. It's got a curve. And then it's got another tree grown out the side of it. That's pretty crazy, eh?
So crazy.
Look, guys, Scott.
I'm up.
He's up.
Doing some work. Let's go.
Those trees are just rocking back and forth.
Where are you?
I'm way over. You're good.
All right.
This one's about to come down. That one on the side.
I can't talk. My mouth is frozen.
That's awesome.
Anyway, just out here collecting wood.
So we don't die.
Yeah, so we don't die.
This is just our everyday chore now. This is our job. This is the job we go to every day.
Yeah.
And collect some dead trees.
Cleaning up the forest.
But we have noticed that our woodpeckers are the culprits of killing some of these trees.
Oh yeah. They're doing a lot. A lot of damage.
They sure are. Alright, we're going to get back to work then. What are you doing off trail? Now you're full of snow. Huh? Go up there with those two. These guys are sure happy to be out. What do you guys got? What's here? You smelling something? Ishka, you could barely stay on the trail. Okay, Luna, let's go, baby. Where's Rocky? Let's go find Rocky. Come on, he's way up there.